Welcome to 5 minutes Python break. We will see the Python introduction today. Python is developed by Guido von Rossum based on his favorite TV serial Monty Python's Flying Circus. It was first released in 1991 February. It is based on two programming languages, ABC language and Modulo 3. Some of its features are: it is easy to use, it has simple syntax rules, it is compact, it is object oriented and is written in high level language, that is English. It is expressive language, only few lines needs to be written. The syntax is also very simple. It is an interpreted language, that is line by line execution of code happens. It is easy to debug. It is complete. It is all functionality available through the Python library. It is a cross-platform language, that it is portable. It can run on Windows, Linux, Macs, etc. It is free and open resource or free and open source. It can be downloaded free from python.org. Variety of usages: games, database, web apps, GUI, graphical user interface apps, everything can be developed. Minuses of Python: not very fast language since it is an interpreted language, and the high level language is converted into bytecodes. Lesser library than C, Java, Perl, not a very strong type binding. I'll show this with an example in my second video. It is not easily convertible because the syntax is very simple. Converting into Java and C++ is very difficult. There are two modes in which you can write Python codes. One is the interactive mode. It is usually used as a testing mode because only one command can be run at a time and the result is immediately shown. Second is the script mode, wherein you open a file, you write down all the commands one after the another. Output is given in one shot, and the output is not sandwiched between the commands. Let us see our first code. There are two lines in it. First one happens to be the comment. It is a single line comment. Comment is ignored by the interpreter and is not executed. Let us see how we are going to run. I'm opening IDLE, Integrated Development Environment. I have already downloaded Python from python.org. This is the interactive mode. When I write print, this is the first command that I am writing. Print hello. It's going to print hello on the screen. You can see the output is immediately given to me and the output is sandwiched between the commands. Hash is a single line comment. Anything written here will be ignored and would not be printed. This can be seen. For script mode, open a new file. I would write down in this file the commands that I want to. Say writing how are you, and one more command. I'm writing fine. Both the commands would be executed together. I need to save the file before executing it. I would save it as practical1.py. py is the extension of Python file. On saving it, F5 or run mode will allow me to print it. This is the output. One more thing, pretty much everything which you find on the keyboard can be written within the double quotes of IDLE or my Python file. Let us see what if I want to write how are you in a second line. I can write an escape sequence /n. Let us see how the output changes. You can see how and RU is printed in the next line. /n is an escape sequence. It means enter, which is present on the keyboard. If I want to leave some space, I can write down /t, which is another escape sequence. Let us run and see the output. You can see a tab space has been left before how are you. This is the list of the escape sequences. That's all for today.